components of vector. Let us take ABC points on x, y, z axis respectively. So here A becomes 1, 0, 1 because it's lying only on the x-axis. Similarly with B and C. Now we can write it as magnitude of OA vector and magnitude of OB vector and magnitude of OC vector will be equal to 1. So these vectors OA, OB and OC are called the unit vectors which has just magnitude 1 along axis OX, OY, OZ respectively. Why they are called unit vectors? Because their magnitude is 1. And these unit vectors are represented by I cap, j cap, k cap respectively. Now let us consider the position vector of point P here in the cube structure, and these are x, y, z axis, and let point P1 is situated in such a way that P1P is parallel to the z axis, that is OR. So from the figure we can write it as P1P vector is nothing but OR because they both are parallel, and that is equal to Z k cap, and also we can write it as Q P1 vector is nothing but OS vector, and these are parallel, and it is equal to Y j cap, that is this Q P1 and OS. And also OQ is nothing but X I cap, that is this. Now we can write OP1. This OP1 line can be written as OQ plus QP1. Why? If we consider the triangle OQP1 using the triangle of addition, we can write it as OQ plus QP1 is nothing but OP1. So from here we can write it as XI cap plus YJ cap. Now if you consider the triangle OP1P, we can write it as OP vector as OP1 plus P1P. Again using the triangle of addition, that is XI cap plus YJ cap, that is nothing but OP1 this plus Z K cap, that is this. Now this OP vector is also the R vector we actually want. So this is called as the component form of R vector. So this xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap is called the component form of R vector. And here x, y, z are called the scalar components of vector R. And xi cap, yj cap, zk cap are called the vector components of vector R. So how to find the length of this vector? So length of OP vector is nothing but its magnitude. So it becomes mod of xi cap plus yj cap plus z k cap, which can be written as under root x square plus y square plus z square. So this is the component form of vector, and this is the length of the R vector.